Hello, My Monarchs! Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So glad you are here. If you like to see how I did these, continue on watching. Another video using my Saviland Gelix kit I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Starting off with my nail tips, I'm going to file them down with my electric nail filer. If you guys are interested in other Gelix kit, I also have a playlist with other brands I got from Amazon. If y'all want to check them out as well, they are on my channel. Now to file down my actual nails, dusting out all that residue. Grabbing both my LED lamp and my nail glue to get started. Now, I want you all to see how I'm applying the nail glue onto my tip because that's what has helped me out. Not too much or not too little of the nail glue onto the tip. Now, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to the rest of my nails. Using a nail tip cutter to cut down the length, I'm going for a much short look than the usual, so that's why I'm kind of confused on how short I should cut them. Now, I will be shaping them and buffing them out of camera. This is what they look like. Of course, dusting all the residue so we won't have some when applying our nail polish next. I'm going to be using my LA Colors nail polish and the name Monarch. Cutest name, by the way. Next is the Sally Hansen in the color Bare It All number 169. Using a makeup sponge, I'm going to be applying both colors as you can see and just dabbing them onto my nails. Doing a couple of coats so the colors are brighter. using my Kiss Gel Top Coat to apply to all of my nails, and of course curing them after. Now, for the small details, I will be applying a flower to my middle finger using my dotting tool, as well with using a white nail polish and the Monarch nail polish from LA Colors. I'm grabbing my nail glue because I will be applying one rhinestone to each nail, and of course using the glue to apply them on. Don't forget to cure after. Now for the final step, applying some cuticle oil, making sure we smooth them out onto the skin. Here are the nails. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think of these. These were a bit different style than I usually go for, but I absolutely loved how they turned out. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned. See y'all next week. Bye!